crafters. This is None of Beth's Crafts to Be, and today I wanted to share with you a couple of the hauls that I did. Yesterday I went out with my hubby and we did a couple of stores, the 99, the Daiso Japan, and a three-way thrift store. And I wanted to share what I got. Not much at the 99. I just got a couple of these bags, the extra large and the extra large bags. Sorry if it was out of frame. And I wanted to go ahead and get a couple of these for the reason that I am doing if you have not been watching my videos, organizing my craft stash in every room. I did a video on what I did with my wardrobe there and all those little things that you have over there. Sorry about the lighting. So that was in the past video, and I will try to link that video up. And the other thing that I wanted to get done was a loft, and that is a future video, and that video will be up this week by Wednesday or Friday. And I wanted to go ahead and share the items that I got. And one of the things that I love about thrift store is that it's like a surprise store. You never know what you're going to get. And since the theme is organizing my stash, I went through a lot of the things that I thought would help. Now I just washed these items, so they're kind of like, I forgot to take out the papers, and they kind of washed in the washer. But one of the things that I wanted to focus on was to organize things in a kit format. Like if I'm working on journaling, everything that goes into journaling, like your thread, your needles, and stuff like that. And I'll show you what I've done with that so far. Some of these things really didn't wash good, so I'm going to go down with a wipe and get it done. This little here baggie that you see here is going to be for a tiny kit. What? I don't know yet, because like I said, I'm going to go through everything in the stash, and I'll bring you along with that in the loft, what I call my little loft. And then I got this thing, which looks like to be a makeup organizer. It's a Ricardo from Beverly Hills, and it has a couple of bags that I really am enjoying the idea of what I'm going to do in there. These can be tools. You can hang this if you're going somewhere to a friend's house or a craft thing. And tons of little elastics here for the tools. Maybe some stuff in there, more tools, maybe some papers and ephemera there. And then I was able to find this one, also a makeup organizer. These were perfect for this, what I need. Anyway, clean it up a little bit more. Got a little mesh bag, plastic bag, and then the also the hanging little hooky thing. And on this side you have more elastic bands for bigger tools, mesh bags here, and a see-through there so you can see it. Makeup bags, but they work perfect. So those are three of that. Daiso's probably going to be the last one, but I also found these little journals. These are pretty cute. I'm into the bees and the lemons lately, and bee is the biggest one, so thought that would be cute for a little journaling. This one is like a, and there it goes. I'll pick that up later. A little photo frame, 3 little frame photos there. It's really cute for spring. You can also cut them up and use them to something else. A little album, and then we're going to move on to this one. I used to be into cows a lot, and this one looks to be like, if you look at this little cow there, sorry about the glare, forgot the group with the purple hat and purple and red stuff, but it says the latest moves, and then it has envelopes, and I haven't opened that. I might open that today with you guys. Then we have this little journal, also vintage paper, looks like it's kind of aged a little with pink lines, so that's really pretty. I'll move everything to one side so we know what we got. This is another little stationery set. Now, at first when I saw this, I didn't really realize that these are actually little bees, and the theme is Gig'em, and with the bee and a little bit of geraniums. Envelopes are cute. perfect for little journals. Love the seals. So that's another little kit that I got. Then I got these little, they're outdoor signs, but basically they are for scrapbooks and journals, whatever you want to use them. This one is Easter Celebration, Egg Hunt in Progress, and Bunny Trail. Both of these are the same, and I love that. This one's all about picnics and reunions. So, playing in the backyard and clubhouse. Perfect for little journals. I left the prices on there so you guys can see. This is from the three-way thrift store. One of the things that I kind of upset me was yesterday I found this perfect thing for ephemera, like a folder with a whole bunch of little pockets. And because there's no price on things, they will not sell them. So if it doesn't have a price, they won't sell it. I found this cute little bell. Really adorable. And then these rummy cards, and I'll open that for you guys so you guys see what's inside. It's all animals. And that's my Charlie. She's investigating what I'm doing. But as you can see, they're cute little animals. And for journals, whatever. The back is just plain and blue. And the front's got different cute little animals. So that's a cute little thing. It came with this cute little baggie. Rummy. Then I found these cute little things. These three were in a little baggie, and I bought them because of this little thing. It's a little purse charm. So you can see her. It's so cute, and it's got a little. If I can grab the top of it, I will show you. It's got a little crown. Really cute little crown. It's got her little arms. So cute. Hold on. Let's see if I can show you her. I don't think she wants to show you her arms. Little dress and her little feet with her little heels. Perfect little thing for a little charm for a journal or for something. Then I found this one, which is really adorable. Angel of Fashion. Shop till you drop or until your halo falls off. Many of us will probably lose our halos first. Then I found some stickers, which are really adorable. This one, the theme of it is romance, with lots of romance stickers. Valentine's Day is coming up. And then I found this one, which is the baby sticker theme. And one of the things that I am doing, if you guys have been watching my videos, is I have been putting together kits. Baby kit and cat kits and stuff like that. And that's going to go in the baby kit. Then I found, thread is everywhere, this little guy. It's Welcome to Paris, modern city with a long and rich history. And it just has non-dated, I guess, months. So you can just circle the dates. And you can go ahead and use it as you want. You can put like Monday or whatever, whenever it falls. So it's non-dated, it's still usable, but I was thinking of using probably this into like a little journal. Look at that. That's what I was interested in here, but I couldn't get to it. Hold on, guys. Sorry about this. Almost there. And it has a happy every day. So it's a kind of like a little planner type of thing. Really cute. I found these little borders. And I don't have a lot of already pre-cut borders. And yes, I have a Cricut, but I haven't gotten down to cutting them. But there's tons of little borders that I can go ahead and just have on hand, also to organize. Here's disposable placemats, and the reason why I bought them at the thrift store for 79 cents was to go ahead and use them when you're doing any kind of stamping or painting and you have to dry your paintbrush or just wipe your fingers on something. Perfect for these, especially if you're traveling and you need something quick. These work really good. I don't know if they still sell them at the Dollar Tree, but I found these for 79 cents. And then back on the theme of organizing my stash and stuff, I found these little guys, which are amazing. Let me turn the camera a little. And what they basically do, You put your magazine or your papers through there, and then you put this on your notebook, on your folders, and you have everything in one area. And going on to the next is these little guys. These are from Staples. They're poly expanding check files. Well, I'm going to use them for stickers. $1.49 each. They're brand new. I still have this little thing here. Doesn't look like they ever were used. And then, of course, the inside has tons of space there for organizing many of your stickers that you might have, or a little ephemera. Got 2 of those, so I'm going to need them. And then I found this little packet here for 79 cents, 3 items. And you got your recipe cards, your notebook, or your note. There's a Mary Engelbrett notepad, and then a plain pad with a magnet in the back. Another one of the things that I did find was a packet. This is a whole packet. I believe that was $1 something. Everything with pink and blue yesterday was half off. Simpler Times, and I liked it because it's 2020. If I could put that in my purse, it's 2019. But the more recent months is 2020. This one also. This one I only because of the pictures, and it's beautiful. Lovely pictures. This is just a regular planner, and this is a calendar of the chipmunks. I can do a flip through if you guys want, but it's just all little chippies. And then moving on over here, I have some vinyl for, I know it was priced, $1.99, and it's navy blue. Found this little packet here of things, and this beautiful ribbon here is just gorgeous. Amazing. Beautiful. The black with all the colors and more little things in there. Not really interested in the binding, but I was most interested in that. And it's got the rich red and the pink. And then I found these binding clips, banker's clips, but I'm going to use them for my paperwork. It does have a very thin little spot there, and I can stick some papers in, keep them organized. Here I found these. This is for needlework or something, but I don't know. The red one is the one that I wanted because it will help me when I do my these. Just here to measure the 2 inches here and the 1 inch here that you do your cuts. And then these things are something very interesting. Let's see what I can use that for. Let me see if I can probably this. I'm probably lost. They're really cute. Pretty neat. Then I found myself a tablecloth. And you know, to crafters pieces stop there. You know, not just a tablecloth it was, but it could be something for a journal or for a book cover. So I thought I would get that. And it only cost 79 cents. It was pink, so I did take 50 cents off of that. And then I tried to find. Charlie will let me. No, really? Sweetheart, no, or mommy needs it. No, get to the thrift store. Can't fit without. Ouch. Oh, mommy. Go over here. She thinks it's okay. Alright, I'm gonna here to the fabric. Is that okay with you? A little. Alright, so this, it's like balance. Look at that. She's how beautiful. This pretty on it. Roses on it. Really pretty. Now you're gonna journal. My good. Everything you. Okay, now this is not take that one. This is different. Okay. Want everything. All yours. See, pretty. So okay. Really material. Let me see. Really? No. This is not me yet. Shut. Okay. Oh, that's nice. It's really sold at right. These now these are I believe it Hobby Lobby for 3 now. But for $89 you can use that. These are for scrap. You have a cool 12. They're not, but these okay. Well, then they have packets here. So if you work well, something in a couple of 12 inches, I could stick that in there. You know, it does. What page does it? You can expand it just a little. Have a side. This just cost me 79 cents. And it's a little cheaper. Then you can put your ephemera there and your other large stickers and stuff that you're going to use there. I'll go around. show you the Daiso. Okay, let's put this down here so we can get some lighting. Let's do it right here.